Welcome to FT Master. Today we discuss about the mathematics on date calculation on the basis of calendar. Now you know that year may be common year, that is of 365 days, and another one 366 days, that is the leap year. And one year is also consist of say 52 weeks, and other that week is also consist of several 7 days. Now, what is the first day of the week? Sunday is the first day of the week, and Saturday is the last day of the week, and it is accepted internationally. Otherwise, the day of the week calculation, we are unable to do it if we do not consider the first day of the week is Sunday and the last day is the Saturday. Now, second concept, that is what is odd day. This is another most important concept for this date calculation. What are the odd days? Odd days are the extra days left after dividing the total number by 7. So odd day, that is the total days by 7. The residual number considered as the odd day. As for example, 7 days, 7 by 7, so residue, that is the 0, so it is the 0 odd day. 8 days, when you divided it by 7, that is 1 day residue, so that is the 1 odd day. If there is the 9 days, when you divide it by 7, that is the 2 residual day, so that is the 2 odd day. If there are 15 days, when you divide it by 7, 7 into 2, 14, so residue is 1, so that is the 1 odd day. Similarly, 365 in the year, 365 days, when you divide it by 7, then it is 1 residual day, that is the 1 odd day. But if it is the leap year, and you know that leap year is consist of 366 days, and when we divide it by 7, then the 2 residual days, so 2 is the odd day. So odd days actually tells you how many weekdays to move forward for the date calculation of the next day, or how many weekdays you will shift backward for the calculation of the same date in case of the previous year. Now, third rule, that is the common year versus leap year. Common year we have already mentioned, 365 days. That is the 50 weeks plus 1 odd day. So same date next year, shift 1 day forward in respect to the normal year 365 days. But there are several critical conditions that we also discuss later on. Similarly, same date of the previous year, you also shift 1 day backward if there is 1 odd day. So if the 1 odd day out of the total day calculation for the previous same date calculation, then the weekday would be 1 day forward, and for previous same date, the day would be 1 day backward. Now, the most important in this case, that is February, because in case of the normal year, the February, that is 28 days, but in case of the leap year, it is 29 days. So February month is the most critical for day calculation in connection to previous or next year same date calculation in respect to the current year. Now, rule 1. Today we discuss the rule 1. If February of leap year is covered in such date calculation, this is the most important. If February is included for the previous year or for the next year of this date calculation, then we will consider 2 odd days. So if the February of the leap year is considered, in such date calculation we only consider 2 odd days for the same date of the next or previous year. That is, for the next year 2 days forward and previous year 2 days backward. Now it would be clear if we actually cite one example. Suppose 2024 is the leap year. Now if we consider 1st August 2024, suppose it is Monday, then 1st August of 2025, what would be the date, weekday? Now generally you know 2024 is the leap year, so that would be 2 odd day. But in this calculation from 1st August 2024 to 1st August 2025, the February month has been excluded of 2024, which is 29 days. That is the critical month for this leap year calculation. So for the 1st August, that means if this date is after February of the current year, which is leap year, then the rule is that you will consider only 1 odd day forward, not 2 odd day, though 2024 is leap year. Because February month is most important, because general rule we have already mentioned that if it is leap year, for the next year you consider 2 days forward, and in case of the previous same date 2 days backward. But it is not true in all the cases where the February has been included or not. As for example, 1st August 2024, suppose it is Monday, then the 1st August of 2025, in this total date calculation, the February month of the leap year, that the 2024 has been excluded, it is not considered here. So it is only 1 odd day. So you will proceed, or you will shift 1 day forward in respect to the Monday. Therefore, the 1st August of 2025 would be Tuesday. But if the 1st August of 2024 is Monday, as we considered in the previous case, but we like to know that what would be the 1st August of 2023. In this case, 2024, which is the leap year, and in this total date calculation, February month of 2024 has been included. So in such date calculation, 2 odd days will come. 2 odd days will come. When you go from 2024 1st August to 2025, there is only 1 odd day. But when you go backward, that is from 1st August 2024 to 1st August 2023, that is the 2 odd day. Why? Because the February month of the 2024 has been included here. So for same date, that is the 1st August of 2023, you will shift 2 days backward. So Monday 2024 current year, it is Monday 1st August. Then if you shift 2 days backward, it would be Saturday. 1 day backward, Monday, that is the Sunday. Another 1 day backward, that is the Saturday. So that is the basic point for the date calculation in respect